All right, folks, I'm going to create another VPC here. It's fun creating one with automatic, but I don't think it would hurt for us to set it as a another one. So I'm going to go ahead here and make a new one. This will be my manual VPC. And I'm going to skip over here, and then instead of doing automatic, we'll have custom. And so this will be my subnet 1. And here we'll drop it down. I'm just going to choose Toronto. I'm going to set this to IPv4, IPv6, because this is the only way we'll have IPv6 if we want it. And then here we could associate it. This is with network connectivity. I'm not really worried about that. And then we have our secondary IP address range. Yeah, that seems fine to me. So I can go ahead and hit done. And make sure all fields are filled in. So we do have to put an IPv range here. I'm really bad at this kind of stuff, so we'll just try this 10.0.0.0/24. So I'm good at it on other providers, but here on GCP, I'm not sure. So we'll go ahead and just create that. And so now we've created a second VPC. We might utilize it to do VPC peering or something, but we will see. I'll let that create and we'll continue on, okay?